With Albato's no-code integration platform, you can build automations connecting more than 1,000 apps. Today, we'll demonstrate a practical use case using Apify, a web scraping platform that enables users to extract, process, and manage data from websites at scale. The first step is to connect your Apify account to Albato. Search for the connector in our app library, select it, give your connection a name, and enter your access token. To obtain the token, simply log into your Apify account and navigate to Settings and API and Integrations. Next, it's time to build the automation. You can create workflows triggered by events either in Apify or in other apps. In this example, we will use Google Sheets, specifically the creation or update of a row in the predetermined spreadsheet. You can choose to capture the data in real time or retroactively. In this case, we'll proceed with the first option. You can also test the configure step before moving forward. Then, we configure the action that will run automatically when the trigger fires. Albato provides several available actions for Apify, including a custom API request for cases where you want to execute custom scenarios. For this example, we'll select the Run Actor action. In the next step, select from the list the actor ID of the actor you want to run. You can also add additional steps to the automation, such as custom code, new actions in other apps, or advanced tools. Albato offers dozens of built-in tools for data management, logic, and control. In our case, we'll select the Automation Delay tool to insert a 5-minute delay between the trigger execution and the action. Finally, simply activate your automation and monitor the data transfer history to track its performance.